I not only build machines but I work with them as well. As an example, I cut out raised panel doors for my kitchen that I built from scratch. Making raised panel doors with a CNC can be difficult and requires planning. Let me show you how I do it. A real raised panel door consists of several joined parts. The parts are milled in different ways to fit together like a puzzle. Simulating this can be tricky as we cut from the top down and not from the side. But we can achieve this by using several different router bits and end mills. We start by cutting out the panel. For that, I use a 150-degree router bit. These can be bought on eBay or AliExpress. I will go deeper than the actual router bit, so that I get a sharp edge at the top. The next step is to cut a sharper edge with a profile on the other side. It is important that we cut as deep as with previous bit. For that, I use a regular profile router bit. The next step is to make a nice transition between the two router bits. For that we can use a larger cutter such as a 6mm spiral end mill. It's important that we cut to the same depth as the previous cuts. With a 1mm end mill, we can make it look as if the parts have been assembled in the same way as you do with a real panel door. Finally, we cut out the whole door. We can use a smaller cutter such as a 4mm end mill. As you can see, I go in 3mm where the hinges are, so that the door is close to the cabinet frame. You can be more detailed if you like, and sharpen all edges with a smaller end mill. Sand properly and paint the doors, and you can hardly see that the doors are not genuine raised panel doors. Thank you for watching.